12 News celebrates Black History Month. Wisconsin's oldest Black-owned bank is marking 100 years in Milwaukee.
In tonight's Project Community, 12 News' Jaron Jordan shows why you can't put a price on the bank's impact on the community over the last century.
This old building at the intersection of 20th and Fond du Lac in Milwaukee has a history as storied as the neighborhoods it represents.
There was Walnut Way, there was Hallier Park, there was Brownsville. These were strong, thriving African-American neighborhoods in the central city of Wisconsin.
Founded September 24th, 1924 by Artie and Wilbur Halliard, Columbia Savings and Loan Association filled a big void.
You can imagine that a Black-owned business in the United States was not a welcome thing, let alone a Black-owned bank. The reason that the Halliard started is they understood that we didn't have access to funds at regular banks and financial institutions in the country at the time.
In fact, it was the only place that gave Mr. McKenzie a loan. Now his grandson is the bank's vice president.
For me personally, to be able to work at a financial institution where my great-grandfather got a loan at a time when he couldn't walk into most banks and get a loan, to me, that's the priceless part. You had A.L. Smith and Miller was here and Pabst and African Americans, go get a factory, you graduate high school, go get a factory job and take care of your family. And then the factories left. And that changed the economic landscape of not only Milwaukee, but specifically Black Milwaukee.
When we talk about Black financial literacy, what do you think that people don't understand when you talk about the history and the hurdles?
The mistrust. I think that is the first issue that people have to overcome. We always hear about grandma has this mattress money or there's just keeping money in a coffee can somewhere. It's because one day they went to the bank and they told them, no, you can't have your money. And these things actually happen. So when your grandmother and your grandfather and your uncles and your aunts are all telling you don't put money in the bank because one day it's not going to be there for you because that was their personal experience, it leads down through, let's say, generational mistrust. When Black families weren't allowed to purchase homes for years and years and years, and then there was redlining in certain neighborhoods, you emulate what you see growing up. So unfortunately, many of us saw our parents renting, so we emulate that. Many of the people in our community were renting, so we emulate that.
That's what you guys are still working to address and to correct. How do you do that even now?
It is day by day, one by one. It is, we understand that we have to get the customers in here and show them the importance of financial literacy.
This year, the bank is celebrating 100 years, one of the oldest in the state and one of just 41 Black-owned banks in the nation.
The way that we study Black Wall Street in Tulsa, Oklahoma, I hope that one day people will study Columbia Savings and Loan in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and what it did to not only change that city, but change the nation in the way finances are handled and looked at in our community.
What would Mr. Halliard say today, 100 years after he founded this institution?
I hope he would say good job. I hope he would be impressed. The thing that I hope he would say most is just to keep going. That motivation to say, you know, good job, keep going, you're doing the right thing.
In Milwaukee, I'm Jaron Jordan, WISN 12 News.
The bank is planning to hold a number of community events throughout the year as it celebrates its centennial.